Here's what's new in AccessAlly 4.0. We've renamed the permissions area to be the members area, and you can still find page permissions here, but now you have this brand new area called members, where we can search by name, we can also search by email address, and we can also add filters. So you can search for contacts that have certain tags, that have all of a list of tags, that are missing certain tags, or that are missing all of the selected tags. Add multiple filters. So let's say certain people who have tags but who are missing another tag. Now, once you have people filtered out, you can also choose to perform an action on them. So you could release an offering, you could also revoke an offering, you can also add tags, remove tags, or run a custom operation. Give people access. Maybe they are part of a certain cohort and you want to release something and to start on a specific date. This is a great way to go ahead and do that. And so everyone will be on track and running things at the same time. You can also add a note. You can also click through and see the people's profiles, and you'll see down here that these are the logs for all the actions that have been completed. So you can see that this was the note that we put in. Another thing that we've added is the ability to reset progress. So you can, as the admin of the site, reset for a specific page or reset all progress for a member. There's a new option under the team display area where you can choose to run a AccessAlly interaction, for example, a certificate or a reset progress. And this is done by first setting up your interaction on the page, but you can also do this for a download certificate. So if you want to have people download a certificate on a team admin level, this is how you would set this up. Then a team leader can come in and see all of the progress of their members and also reset it if they would like to. So it's all set up. Another big addition that you'll find under forms is the concept of enrollment limits and waitlists. So you can go ahead here and create an enrollment limit. And what that is going to do is it's going to create a waitlist for you, and it's also going to let you choose either a specific window that people can purchase during or limit the number of spots. So this is great if you want to do live cohorts and say you only want 10 people to sign up and be participating in a course at a time, or if you wanted to do different types of launches where they're only available to sign up during a certain time period, and you can have as many of these as you would like. So you could do one every month if you're enrolling every month, or you could do them say every 6 months, depending on how often you run your live courses or your cohorts. Now, the cool thing is that you can also use some of these scarcity messages on the front end. So here you can change exactly what you want it to say, whether you want a timer or the number of spots used or not. And you can see here under your forms area whether enrollments are open and how many spots have been purchased so far. So you can always keep track right here. And you can also edit the form and come in here, and under order form, you can choose one of your existing order form designs or edit one that you already have up and running. And you can go ahead and add the new enrollment limit message. Then when I come to view it, you'll see that I have my little countdown timer as well as the number of seats that have been purchased. And once the limit is reached, whether it is the time limit or the number of spots limit, then people will automatically be sent to that waitlist page. You don't have to do anything to update this. This will just automatically happen. So the waitlist that gets generated is an AccessAlly opt-in form. You can change all of these things. You could add more information, other inputs if you would like, and you can also change what happens after they opt in. So you want to put in your thank you page URL. And there's one more update, which is more pertinent to new AccessAlly customers for the moment. But basically what it means is that you no longer need to use a CRM to use AccessAlly. And why I'm saying it's for new customers is because we need to release a conversion form. So if you already have one of these CRMs integrated with AccessAlly, we need to basically pull all of the data into AccessAlly so that there's no interruption of service if you decide to either move away from your CRM or just use AccessAlly directly without using a CRM. So I am really happy that we're able to get new customers to use AccessAlly without one of the 5 CRMs we integrate with, and they can use Zapier to connect, the new people who are signing up in AccessAlly into another email platform like MailChimp or Aweber or something like that. But if you are currently using AccessAlly and you're really excited to move off of your CRM or not connect it with AccessAlly, just hold tight. We are working on that conversion tool, and we will be notifying you as soon as it's ready. So those are just the really big updates. This release is packed with all kinds of other small updates, like improving the way that you can select things in metrics and showing IP addresses for people who are logging in. Like there's just a lot of other things that went into this release. So make sure to read the release notes below.